Hello guys and welcome back on my channel again. In this video I will show you how to make a registration page or login page by using Flutter. So this is a complete video with source code. In this video I will show you how to make an attractive login page and registration page using Flutter, and I will also perform all the styling for you. So if you want to make a registration page, you can just copy the code which I am going to write in this video. If you want to check the code regarding this video, you can check my website or the blog regarding this video. The link will be in the description. So if you want the source code or anything, just go to my website and you will find the source code. So let's just continue the video. So let me just remove the previous code. So I will write the basic code for running the app, and also for the uh, login page or registration page or anything, and I will write the basic classes. So I think I don't have to explain any of the basic classes. So I will just start explaining from the main video, which is the login page or and all the styling. Okay. we had wrote all the code for the basic code, okay, for the main file, and then the registration page or login page. And you can see that I hope there is no confusion between this file and this file, because it is a basic code. I didn't say anything while writing this code because it was absolutely unnecessary to say anything. So I will just start coding now. Let me just change this login page to registration page, and let me just save and run this file. Okay, I just stopped the file and I'm running it again. So let's just see the page we had made. So you can see that our page has been made successfully. So we will just start doing things we want to do. So I will just style the app bar a bit. So I will just change the color of it to black. Okay, now let's start writing the main code, the body of the file. So I will first of all I will make a container. Okay, so in the container child I will make a column, and then the children and widgets, because I am going to use many widgets in the container, in this container, so that's why I am making a column. Okay, so as you know, Flutter is all about widgets. Okay, so everything we use in Flutter is a widget. So and the column and row widgets are the some of the only widgets which give us the authority to use many widgets in it. Okay, else we use only one widget in every other widget. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So in the children widget, first widget I'm going to make is a text widget. Okay, because first of all I want to write the text. Okay, so let me just as this is a registration page, so I am going to take couple of things from the user. The things I will take from the user is its name, and then the email, and then the password, and then I will ask the user to submit the data. Okay, so I will make 3 text fields. Okay, and then I will make a button which will say register. Okay, and then I will give user authority to sign in if the user had already account. Okay, so below the registration button, as you can see in the picture, so I am going to give another button which will say sign up. Okay, so let me just make a text field first. So first of all, let me give the cursor color. Okay, after that I will change the style of the text field a bit. Okay, so I will change the font size to 15, and then I will give the height. Okay, so I will give a height of 1. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I will give the decoration. Okay, so Okay, let me see. This is input decoration, not text decoration. Okay, so okay, so then first thing I am going to give is field property, and I will give it true because I want the text field to be filled. Okay, and then I will give the fill color, and I will give the fill color gray, and then I will set the value 500 because I think 500 is a basic good value. So now let me just save and see what I had done so far. Okay, now you can see that this is our text field now. So let me just wrap my text field with the padding. Okay, so I will give 5, 10, then 5 again, and then 5 I guess, and I will give the top padding 20 instead of 10. Okay, so now let's see what happened. So now you can see that this is our text field. Okay, we have to style it a bit more. So I will give it the borders and the focus border also. So let me just do it. So border, outline, input, border. Okay, so I will give a border radius of circular, and I will give it a value of 10. Okay, then the second thing I will do it, I will also give it a focus border. Okay, so focus border, outline, input, border. Okay, then border size, border size, then width of 3 I guess, and then I will give the color. But I think black would be fine. Okay, now let's. Okay, so I think that's pretty fine. Now I will give it some text. Okay, so let me just give it a text in text first. Okay, this is for enter your name. Okay, the second thing I will give it a helper text I guess. Okay, I will write enter your full name. Okay, so I should write this over here, also over here. So let's see what is our result now. So you can see that now our text field is looking fine. Okay, the next thing I am going to give is a prefix icon. Prefix icon into icons dot okay, so for name I will give an icon of person because it is the name of a person, and then I will give it a colors dot white would be nice, I guess. Okay, let's see. Okay, now you can see that it is looking a bit fine. So this is our text, and then this is our icon. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I will change the color of hint color and helper color. So I will just style the hint color. Okay, the text style, and then the color colors dot black, and I will just copy and paste the same thing for helper text. I will change helper. Okay, now see what happened. Okay, now you can see that it is looking quite fine now. So I will just copy and paste the same thing two times more. So let me just do it. Okay, and I will change the padding of top to 0 and the bottom padding also 0, and then here also 5 and then 5. Okay, now let me just save and show you what happened. So now you can see that our text fields are looking quite fine. Okay, and they are also responsive. Okay, so I just remove the padding of right. So now you can see that they are quite fine. So I just have to give a little bit more top padding because it is just seem like it is overwriting the things. So let me just see. I think I should give 5 padding over here. So now see what happened. Okay, let me just change a bit 5 over here and 5 over here. Okay, then 5 over here and 5 over here. So let me just change the top padding to 10 for all of it. So now it's quite nice, I guess. It is separating all the fields quite well. Okay, so I think I should give the field color to white, I guess. The white color will look more nice. No, I guess the gray color was fine. Okay, now let me just edit these fields. So it is enter your email. Yes, so enter your valid email, I guess, and then over here enter your password, and enter a strong password. Okay, let me just change the icons too. So this icon will be email. Okay, and then the icon for password will be a lock, I guess. So there is the lock. Now you can see that it was quite fine. And let me just give a property to this text field, because this is a text password field. So let me just hide the password the user will write. Now as you can see that it is hiding. Okay, so this is all for text fields. I think I should change the container color to black. It would look much nicer. Black. And then the helper text would be white, I guess. So let me just change this to that. Would look a bit nice, I guess. Okay, so now you can see that it is more readable and defined. Okay, so let me just change the color of this to white, I guess. Okay, so this is looking much nicer. Okay, so this is quite fine. So now let me just make the button for registration. Okay, so before making a button, I will make a text field which will say text which will say that if you are signing up, you have to agree our terms and conditions. So I will say by signing up you will agree our terms and conditions. Okay, let me see. Okay, so I have to change the styling for that. So let me just first give a sized box. A height of 10, I guess, would be fine. Okay, now style and then text style. Okay, so first of all I will change the color a white. Okay, so the text is quite long. Okay, so let me just remove some text. So by signing up you accept our terms. Okay, so the terms, so this is quite fine. Okay, now you can see that it is in the middle also. So I think I don't have to give the font size. The font size is quite nice. Let me just give the bold size to 15. So now this is quite nice, I guess. Okay, let me just give a font size of 10, I guess, because the current font size is quite large. Now this is quite fine. Okay, so the next thing I am going to do is I will make a button. Okay, so button theme. Okay, so I will make a child and then I will make a raised button with an icon. Okay, so on press will be empty for now. Okay, then the next thing I will give it an icon icons dot then it is a registration button. So okay, let me see, I think this arrow will be fine. Okay, then I will give it a color white. Okay, the next thing I am going to give is a label. So the label will say register. Okay, then I will give okay, I think that will be fine. So let me just see what happens. Okay, so now you can see that this is our button. So let me just give it a gap of 5 of 10, I guess would be fine. And then let me just give the width of 300 and a height of 50. Now that is quite fine, I guess. So let me just give it a splash color of black. Okay, now it is fine. So I think I should give it a border also. The border will look fine. Okay, so for border I will change the shape. Okay, so round rectangular border. I hope I spelled that. Okay, round border, and then the side. Okay, then it will be the border side. Okay, so I will give it a color of white, and then I will give it a width of 3. Okay, so I think I should change the blue color to gray. So I will give it a color that is quite fine, I guess, because it has a splash color. Okay, then the three fields. Okay, so that's quite fine, I guess. Okay, so let me just now make a divided line. So I will give it a box of 20, and then I will make a divider. Okay, so I will give a color white to divider. Okay, and then the thickness of 1, and I will also give the border padding. So from left I will give it 15, and the top will be 0, and the right will be 15 too, and the bottom will be 0. Okay, now you can see that this is our line, so I think I should give it 30. Okay, so after that I will just copy this code and I will just paste it below the divider. Okay, so I should paste it over here. Okay, so now it is fine. I will give the border sized box a height of 5, and then I will change the text from signing up to already had account, already have a account, and then I will change the width to 150 and the height 40. Okay, so over here I will say sign up, sign in. Okay, so let's just see what happened. Okay, now you can see that our registration page is ready. Okay, so I will change the height of font size of this to 15. Okay, so then I don't think I have to give it a gap of 10. 5 would be nice. Okay, so after that I have to give a height, a box size height over here. Okay, so and then I have to give over here of 20. Okay, now let me see what happened. So now I think it is quite fine. So I think this is quite fine. So I like the dark colors most, so that's why I kept this combination. So if you want to change the color combination, so all the code is available. So I had shown you how you can change the color of your icons. Okay, then this text and this text. Okay, so you can change the color of anything if you want to. So you can style this page as you want to. Okay, so the basic things are already over here. Okay, so if you want to change anything on this page, so you can change it. Okay, so you can change the background color. Okay, so to anything. So let me just change the background color to suppose blue. So you can see that you can change anything over here. Okay, so I think blue is looking more fine, so you can also change it from the app bar. So now you can see that. So it's all up to you that how you can change, how you change the color, okay, and how you change the styling of the app. Okay, so this is all for this video. If you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment below, I will answer. And if you want to see the source code of this video, do check my website. Thank you.